Hello everyone, I'm filming now a place where I come once or twice a week, which is on Tuesday and Wednesday, and this is the answer to where I get my scrap yarn. My yarn for knitting, for my channel and for myself. As you can see here, there are some washing lines and things like that. It's actually a cat rescue. Here he comes. There is a little cat coming here. Let's go to him. He'll come a bit later. And this is the barn, which is quite huge. And as you can see, it shows here the title, scrap store, and this is the entrance to the store. This is a type of charity where people bring things for free and then they sell, and generally Ben, who is the boss in here, he makes house clearances, and everything that comes from house clearances comes here. And so I get my yarn here and everything else, bits and pieces. This is the way in, scrap store. Let's have a look. It's quite dark inside. This is
what, even if 1%, even if 0.01% have gone there with the by Anna's.
This is, as you can see, a lot of stuff here. A lot of yarn, a lot of fabric. It's very interesting to be here because there are very unusual things that you can find here. You can find material, you can find anything for knitting, you can buy things. As you can see, this is like a little bit like a chair, strange chair, very unusual. This is, as you can see, a lot of markers, books and videos, DVDs, all sorts. Another chair, which is very interesting, very unusual. Oh, here are some costumes. Some plants, faux plants. Some more DVDs, some chairs. Honestly, you can find here whatever you will never expect, but you can find here a lot of stuff. You can literally bring into your home a lot of rubbish. Oh, this is Weezy! Swayze, say hello. Hello. Hello, Swayze, how are you doing? He's the little boss in this area, so he comes and goes. He's from some charity here. This is some more stuff. It's big, a very big area here. Very big area here. You can find wood here, foam, even electricity items, some themes, even some sort of I see here some Mila bucket cleaner, which is branded and I think it's cool. Here you can see a lot of things. This is like a keyboard. These are the iron. This is quite an old stuff, unusual old stuff. Even the mixes here. Let's have a look. Some Sony items here. Projectors. This is tiny things that we have here. Let's have a look. Sometimes it's quite handy to find certain things. This is cute. I'm going to take it with me. Let's see. I can use it as a markers for my knitting. Some pens, some bits and pieces here. This is the Mila vacuum cleaner, white pearl with display. Can you spot it? It's actually Swayze here, doing some naughty things in the scrap store. So as you can see, you can find all sorts of things here. You can find the bike and everything else you would ever imagine. Certain things, other things that nobody needs. These are the old pianos. Let's have a look here. Pianos. A lot of paint in here. see. Let's have a look what other bits and pieces are here. Let's have a look. Oh, some plates, a little cup, some more plates here. Some strange things here. Oh, this is something very nice, which I like. Maybe I'll take it with me. This is a nice cup. It's not broken. I'll take it with me. Let's have a look. I'll take this to the charity. This is some more stuff here. Some other things. And about it in this area. And here's Swayze waiting for me to come because he wants some cuddles. Hello, Swayze. How are you doing? How are you doing? Are you purring? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cat. Beautiful cat. Let's have a look at more stuff here. Who is here? Swayze again. For some cuddles. For some cuddles. His fur is actually so soft. Good boy. Let's have a look here. Sounds interesting. Let's check. Do you like it? You do. Swayze. Let's have a look. What other things are here? Let's have a look here. Swayze wants some cuddles. These are the caps. Things for garden. Let's have a look. Some CDs. And here's Swayze. You bird, don't you? Now, as you can see, here are more stuff, much more stuff. Piece of fabric, scrap fabric, as you can see here as well. Plenty of fabric. Here are some clothes, some flip-flops, and here are some eco bags. This is where I get my yarn. You can see here is an example of yarn in the corner here. Let's have a look. Let's put this to the side and see what's here. This is some sample. This is some other sample which we can unravel and do a lot of interesting things at home by knitting. Let's have a look. Let's take a couple.